Welcome to our exploration of the wonders of Costa Rica, a breathtaking paradise that boasts some of the most stunning natural beauty and diverse attractions in the world. In this video, we will take you on a journey through this Central American gem, showcasing its lush rainforests, pristine beaches, and vibrant wildlife. Costa Rica is renowned for its unique biodiversity, home to an incredible array of flora and fauna that captivates nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. As we delve into the heart of Costa Rica, you will discover top destinations that highlight the country's rich ecological tapestry. From the majestic Arenal volcano, surrounded by hot springs and lush landscapes, to the serene beaches of Manuel Antonio National Park, where you can relax and spot playful monkeys, each location offers a unique experience that showcases the country's natural wonders. We will also explore the enchanting cloud forests of Monteverde, where you can walk among the treetops and witness the breathtaking beauty of the diverse ecosystems. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie looking for thrilling activities like zip lining and white water rafting, or a traveler seeking tranquility in nature, Costa Rica has something for everyone. So, get ready to be inspired as we unveil the top experiences and hidden gems that make Costa Rica a must-visit destination. Join us on this adventure and let the wonders of Costa Rica ignite your wanderlust. Arenal Volcano National Park. Arenal Volcano is one of Costa Rica's most iconic landmarks, standing tall at 1,670 meters and dominating the landscape with its perfect conical shape. This active volcano, which last erupted in 2010, plays a significant role in the country's geography and is a vital part of the local ecosystem. The surrounding Arenal Volcano National Park is a treasure trove of natural beauty, offering visitors a chance to explore its stunning landscapes and diverse habitats. The park is a haven for outdoor enthusiasts, with numerous hiking trails that wind through lush rainforests and offer breathtaking views of the volcano and its surroundings. As you hike, keep an eye out for the rich wildlife that calls this area home, including howler monkeys, sloths, and a variety of colorful bird species. Wildlife watching is a popular activity, and the park's diverse ecosystems provide ample opportunities for spotting these fascinating creatures in their natural habitat. After a day of adventure, visitors can unwind in the natural hot springs that are fed by the volcano's geothermal activity. These relaxing pools, set against the backdrop of the rainforest, offer a perfect way to soak in the beauty of the area while enjoying the therapeutic benefits of the mineral-rich waters. Conservation efforts in Arenal Volcano National Park are crucial to preserving its unique ecosystems and the biodiversity they support. By protecting this natural wonder, Costa Rica ensures that future generations can continue to experience the awe-inspiring landscapes and vibrant wildlife that make Arenal Volcano National Park a must-visit destination. Monteverde Cloud Forest Reserve. The Monteverde Cloud Forest Reserve is a remarkable ecosystem that showcases the beauty and complexity of cloud forests, which are characterized by their unique weather patterns. These forests are often shrouded in mist and fog, creating a cool and humid environment that supports a diverse range of plant and animal life. The constant moisture in the air allows for the growth of epiphytes, such as orchids and bromeliads, which thrive in this lush habitat, making cloud forests one of the most biodiverse ecosystems on the planet. Within the Monteverde Cloud Forest Reserve, visitors can encounter an astonishing variety of flora and fauna, including rare species that are found nowhere else in the world. The reserve is home to over 2,500 plant species, 400 bird species, and countless insects and mammals. Birdwatchers will be particularly thrilled by the chance to spot the elusive resplendent quetzal, a vibrant bird known for its striking plumage and cultural significance. The rich biodiversity of the reserve makes it a vital area for conservation and research, as scientists continue to study the unique interactions within this delicate ecosystem. For those looking to immerse themselves in the beauty of the cloud forest, the Monteverde Cloud Forest Reserve offers exhilarating canopy tours that allow visitors to glide through the treetops on zip lines and suspension bridges. These adventures provide a unique perspective of the forest and its inhabitants, making it an unforgettable experience. Whether you're an avid birdwatcher or simply seeking to connect with nature, the Monteverde Cloud Forest Reserve is a must-visit destination that promises to inspire and captivate all who venture into its enchanting depths. Todiguero National Park. Todiguero National Park is a vital sanctuary for turtle conservation, renowned for its unique network of waterways and lush rainforests. Located on the Caribbean coast of Costa Rica, The park is characterized by its intricate system of canals, lagoons, and rivers that provide essential habitats for a diverse array of wildlife. The dense rainforests surrounding these waterways are teeming with life, making Totiguero a biodiversity hotspot and a critical area for ecological preservation. One of the park's most significant roles is as a nesting ground for several species of sea turtles, including the endangered green turtle, leatherback turtle, and hawksbill turtle. Each year, thousands of turtles return to the same beaches to lay their eggs, a remarkable behavior known as natal homing. The best time to visit Totiguero for turtle watching is during the nesting season, which typically runs from July to October for green turtles and from February to July for leatherbacks. Witnessing these majestic creatures come ashore to nest is a breathtaking experience that highlights the importance of conservation efforts in protecting their habitats. Ecotourism plays a crucial role in the conservation of Totiguero National Park, as it provides a sustainable source of income for local communities. By promoting responsible tourism practices, local residents are empowered to participate in conservation initiatives, ensuring the protection of both the turtles and their environment. Visitors to the park can engage in guided tours, learn about the nesting process, and support local conservation efforts, making their trip not only enjoyable but also impactful. Totiguero National Park stands as a testament to the power of community-driven conservation and the importance of preserving our planet's natural treasures. Manuel Antonio National Park. Manuel Antonio National Park is a breathtaking destination that beautifully combines stunning beaches with lush tropical landscapes, making it one of Costa Rica's most beloved national parks. The park features several picturesque beaches, such as Playa Espadia and Playa Manuel Antonio, where visitors can relax on soft sands, swim in crystal-clear waters, and soak up the sun. The scenic hiking trails meander through the park's diverse ecosystems, offering breathtaking views of the coastline and opportunities to explore the rich flora and fauna that thrive in this unique environment. Wildlife enthusiasts will be delighted by the diverse array of animals that call Manuel Antonio home. The park is famous for its playful capuchin and howler monkeys, which can often be seen swinging through the trees or foraging for food. Additionally, the park is a sanctuary for sloths, iguanas, and a variety of colorful bird species, making it a paradise for nature lovers and photographers alike. The chance to observe these incredible creatures in their natural habitat adds to the magic of a visit to Manuel Antonio. As you explore this beautiful park, it is essential to practice responsible tourism to help protect its natural beauty. Visitors are encouraged to stay on designated trails, avoid littering, and respect wildlife by observing from a distance. By following these guidelines, you can contribute to the preservation of Manuel Antonio National Park for future generations to enjoy. Whether you're hiking through the rainforest or lounging on the beach, the enchanting landscapes and vibrant wildlife of Manuel Antonio will leave you with unforgettable memories of Costa Rica's natural wonders. Corcovado National Park. Corcovado National Park is a hidden gem located on the Osa Peninsula, often hailed as one of the most biodiverse places on Earth. This remote wilderness is a sanctuary for an astonishing variety of plant and animal species, many of which are endemic to the region. The park's unique geographical location and diverse ecosystems contribute to its incredible biodiversity, making it a vital area for conservation and research. Within Corcovado, visitors can explore a range of ecosystems, from dense rainforests teeming with life to pristine beaches that stretch along the Pacific coast. The park encompasses 5 different ecological zones, including lowland rainforests, cloud forests, and mangroves, each hosting a myriad of species. This diversity allows for a rich tapestry of wildlife, including jaguars, tapirs, scarlet macaws, and the endangered Baird's tapir, among others. The chance to witness these magnificent creatures in their natural habitat is a highlight for many adventurers. For those seeking an unforgettable experience, Corcovado offers a variety of adventurous activities, including hiking through its extensive trail system. The trails wind through lush jungles, leading to breathtaking viewpoints and secluded beaches. Wildlife spotting is a must, as the park is home to numerous species that can be seen during guided tours or solo explorations. As you embark on your journey through Corcovado National Park, prepare to be captivated by its raw beauty and the incredible biodiversity that thrives within its borders. This remote wilderness invites you to connect with nature and experience the thrill of adventure in one of the planet's most extraordinary natural environments. As we wrap up our exploration of the wonders of Costa Rica, it's clear that this beautiful country is a treasure trove of diverse attractions and breathtaking natural beauty. From the iconic Arenal volcano, with its stunning landscapes and adventure-filled activities, to the enchanting cloud forests of Monteverde, where unique ecosystems thrive, Costa Rica offers something for every nature lover and adventure seeker. The pristine beaches of Manuel Antonio and the vital turtle conservation efforts in Totiguero further showcase the country's commitment to preserving its rich biodiversity. Each destination we discussed highlights the importance of conservation and responsible tourism, reminding us that our actions can significantly impact these natural wonders. By exploring these amazing places, we not only create unforgettable memories but also contribute to the protection of Costa Rica's unique environments and the wildlife that inhabits them. We encourage you to embark on your own journey to discover the beauty of Costa Rica. Whether you're hiking through lush rainforests, relaxing on pristine beaches, or observing incredible wildlife, the experiences awaiting you are sure to inspire a deep appreciation for this remarkable country. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about the wonders of Costa Rica and other exciting destinations, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Your support helps us create more engaging content that showcases the beauty of our planet. Thank you for joining us on this adventure, and we look forward to exploring more incredible places with you in the future.